Once upon a time, in a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, there lived two souls whose paths were destined to intertwine. Emily, a talented artist with a heart full of dreams, spent her days capturing the beauty of the world on her canvas. Her paintings were filled with vibrant colors and delicate brushstrokes, reflecting her passion and emotions. And then there was Ethan, a kind-hearted musician with a soulful voice that could touch the deepest corners of one's heart. He poured his heart and soul into his songs, seeking to spread love and joy to all who would listen. One sunny morning, fate intervened and their paths crossed. Ethan happened to stumble upon Emily's art exhibition, captivated by the vivid portrayals of nature and human emotions. As he gazed at one particular painting, a stunning sunset over a tranquil meadow, he felt an inexplicable connection. Little did he know that Emily, the artist behind the masterpiece, was standing just a few feet away, admiring his presence. Their eyes met, and time seemed to stand still. In that moment, they recognized the spark of something extraordinary, a deep and profound connection that transcended words. As days turned into weeks, Emily and Ethan found themselves drawn to one another, exploring the depths of their shared passions. Ethan would strum his guitar, serenading Emily with melodies that echoed through the night, while she would delicately paint the emotions his music awakened within her. Together, they embarked on countless adventures, discovering hidden gems in the town they both called home. They danced under the moonlight, their laughter filling the air like a sweet melody. Their love blossomed like a vibrant garden, each day nurturing their bond with tenderness and care. But as with any great love story, challenges emerged. Ethan's dreams took him on a musical journey far beyond the town's borders, leaving Emily to face the emptiness of his absence. Longing for his return, she found solace in her art, pouring her heart into each stroke of the brush. Time tested their love, but it only grew stronger. The distance between them served as a reminder of their deep connection and unwavering devotion. And when Ethan finally returned, his heart filled with stories and melodies inspired by the world he had seen, he found Emily waiting with open arms, ready to embark on a new chapter together. And so, their love story continued, a beautiful dance of art and music, woven together in a tapestry of passion and devotion. As they shared their talents with the world, their love served as a guiding light, inspiring others to embrace the magic that can be found in the simplest of moments. In a world filled with chaos, Emily and Ethan's love story reminded everyone that love transcends time and space. Their journey was a testament to the power of connection, proving that when two hearts unite, they can create a symphony that resonates in the hearts of all who witness it. As the sun set on their story, they knew that their love would forever be etched in the hearts of those they touched. And so, their love lived on, like an everlasting melody, inspiring others to chase their dreams and believe in the power of love. And so, dear friends, whether you are an artist, a musician, or simply a dreamer, let Emily and Ethan's story remind you that love is the greatest masterpiece of all.